Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back again to my channel, MV Auto Service and Repair. Today, I'll gonna show you how to dismantle the gearbox for a 2013 Ford Ranger. Yeah, just a quick idea, so that um, whenever you have this kind of transmission, you can you will have a sort of idea how to remove the main case to the extension case for this manual transmission. So this is the gearbox here. Yeah, so yeah, this one here is fitted on the main case of the manual transmission. So yeah, when you remove this extension case from the main case, you should remove this. It goes like that, so you have to remove the guide here, the pin. Yeah, so this pin for the extension case, it goes to pin this transmission shifting port for the reverse, and that's two, one on this side and one on the other side. The same thing on the main case, there's two also, one here and one here, and that pin goes to that pin is goes to this way and this way here. So the same thing on the other side, the pin here is two also, one here and one there, and goes to, it will goes to pin that shifting port also, like that. Yeah, so once you remove that one, you, yeah, and let's say that one, yeah, so once you remove this nut from this one here, you need to you need to pull you need to puller this one, you need to puller this one out. Once this two is out, then you have to start heating up the output shaft with a heater gun, so that it will, you can remove this one, because this bearing here on the output shaft bearing, that's the one you have to heat it up so that you can remove it. Once you heat it up, this one, and it's enough to expand the metal, you can tap this one, you can tap with a rubber hammer, and then it will go out. Then once this one is out, the same thing with the other side. The input shaft here, this is the input shaft, so it's fitted here. You have to heat up also the input shaft bearing here. Once you heat it up properly, then you can tap this main case and it will goes out. That's the process how to remove this gearbox, because as you can see here, you cannot remove the input shaft bearing outside because it's bolted here inside the case. The same thing with the counter gear, the counter shaft gear bearing. And on the extension case here, the same thing. So the bolt is inside, there is no way to remove the bearing outside here. So yeah, that's, and once you heat it up and remove the case, you can remove this one power, you can remove this, you can pop this one out. And for this one here, there is there is a bolt here, 3 bolts that connects on this main transmission case. So you remove that bolt and then you're free to go, free to remove the whole gearbox out. So that's all the, this is all the gearbox, this is all the gears for this particular gearbox. So yeah, the reason why we remove this, because the input shaft bearing there is having a big play. So if you can see there, yeah, it's playing much, and a huge noise while driving and even in idling. And in when the engine is idling, gearbox is in neutral, it's you can still hear the rattling noise of the input shaft through the counter gear. So that's it for today. Like this video, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated for some videos, uh, I mean a new video to come. Thank you very much and have a good day.